One of the important tips about building out materials is to create a library, create a file of pictures that you want to use. And it's very helpful to label them. I open up PowerPoint. I've created a blank presentation. Now I'm going to go to Insert, and I want to insert a picture. My files will come up. I'm going to choose Fair Picture. I can resize it easily on the screen. And to make that picture pop, I'm going to do a right click and change the color of the background. From here, I want to add print, so I'm going to insert a text box. And when you're presenting in a session, you can go full screen. You can do comprehension tasks with your students. You can create what's wrong here types of pictures. And sometimes you may choose not to use any print. Here are some additional samples. Hungry pronouns, again with the pictures of he and she. And then going to like a riddle game type of format. So it just creates a little bit of a variety and allows for engagement. Final consonants, bird, being able to add that final sound just by utilizing some animation or rhyme time. We do a little short story that I wrote, and with that we talk about how you rhyme, what it's about, and then do some practice with those targets. You can certainly have your students use annotation tools and circle them. PowerPoints work great for that. You can either use it as a PDF or you can do animation so the kids can talk through and work through and come up with ways to combine the ideas into one sentence.